Hello, good morning, all of you. This is Professor Vijay Gadvi. Now we are continuing with the next session. Cyber security is a, a in a past section we are learn cryptography, encryption, decryption algorithm. Now today we start with quantum cryptography. First question is what is quantum cryptography? It is a method of secure key exchange over an insecure channel based on the nature of photons. Its polarized photons are transmitted between sender and receiver to create a random string of numbers. The quantum cryptography key is used for security. It is nothing but a perfect encryption for the 21st century. It's experimental stage and it's a very secure. Modern encryption methods and authentication devices are cryptographic accelerators, authentication tokens, biometric recognition methods. Then few examples are we are seeing the definition of cryptographic accelerator. For example, Crow processors that calculate and handle the random number generation. Then authentication token is external device that interface with device to grant access. Two types, contact and non-contact. Then in biometric recognition, external device that measure human body factor to allow access. Few examples of cryptographic accelerators. The first is the PCI coprocessor. Example of authentication token is a credit card, RSA secure ID, and biometric, for example, fingerprint, optical voice, and signature recognition. Biometric device, the iris of your eye is a colored part that surrounds you black pupil. The black part, it's a retina. Every iris is different. If a scan of user's iris matches the one in security system's memory, its access is allowed. Then another trail unique to every individual is his and her voice. This is a voice recognition. The user speaks a specific word or sentence to gain access to a secure computer. Distinct patterns, tones, and other qualities in the voice must match the authorized user's voice in the computer's security system. Another biometric option is the fingerprint and its unique identifying characteristics. Placed on a special reading pad, a designated fingerprint is recognized by a computer. A similar biometric device scans a person's whole hand. The blood vessels in a person's face radiate heat. The pattern of those vessels and the heat scan are completely individual and could be recognized and required for computer access. Active in internet startups. Here you can see the chart. A graph is seen in Finland, Japan, France, Denmark, Germany, UK, Italy, Israel, and Canada and US. This is a activeness ratios in use of internet startups. In USA, online shopping revenues. Here we see in dollar, in millions, and here see the number of years of web users. A multimedia word in transitions, copper to glass, radio plus satellite and IR is all about fixed communication channel and how we use frequently internet by satellite, by business in or on air and in-house, local transportation, railway, and also biological research. Here we cover the multimedia world in transit. Here you see there's a lot of examples. Here we see the electricity, agricultures, residuals, and all. Machine overtake mankind. Here we see the network traffic in percentage, and in X you can say start by 1980 to 2015. Trust is a key issue, limiting adoption of e-technology. Language 1%, training 3%, lack of skill 7%, cost 9%, implementation difficulty 10%, lack of knowledge, technology assistance, customers not connected, and security worries. The maximum you can see here is the security worries. It is not about dollar, it is about time, the rate of change, and today's part, technology, company, business, society, people, legal system, and government. Everything will be in cyberspace, covered by hardship computers. Is a world all about the continental region, campus, cell, body, home, car, and building. Survival, it is not the strongest of the species there survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. Is a statement by Charles Darwin. Thank you. Now session is over.